plant maintenance module. Now, what we generally do in the plant maintenance module, we have our plant. In our plant, we have a different kind of machines to produce the things, right? We have a DG sets, we have different kind of machines. Then we have a department called plant maintenance department. This plant maintenance department responsibility is to make sure they maintain these machines. If there's some problem happen, they rectified, okay? These plant maintenance these plant maintenance people might be requiring a help from the third party or something they will rectify. And they need to also make sure that the regular maintenance has been done for these machines. Okay, these machines regular maintenance has been done. So these machines we create, which we buy, we create them as a equipment in our system. Equipment is a master data which is used for the plant maintenance, and we maintain it. Okay, we maintain it by creating a plant maintenance order. If it goes into the malfunction, again, report would be given to the PM team, and PM team would be creating a plant maintenance notification. And from the plant maintenance notification, they would be creating your maintenance order. Okay, so what we are doing in this module, we are maintaining the equipments, in-house equipments we are maintaining. And what we do in the customer service module, in CS module, we try to maintain our equipments or our machine, which we have prepared and which we have sold to the customer side. But these are also machines which will require maintenance, which will be requiring a repair, which will be requiring, we need to give the service order. We need to service them, annual service, 6-month service, plant services. If it got, there's some malfunction, then they need to report, and then we need to send the service engineer. So this also is actually maintaining the equipments and machine. But in the plant maintenance, we maintain the in-house equipments. And what we are doing here we are maintaining the equipments which has been sold to the customer, But you will see a lot of similarity. Here we call it as a plant maintenance order. In CS module, we call it as a service order. But you will see a lot of similarity between the service order and plant maintenance order. You will see a lot of same master data has been used. Here we call it as a maintenance notification. When some machine got bad, a maintenance notification is created. Here we call it as a service notification. Here also we'll be using equipment as a master data. Here also we use equipment as a master data. Okay. Here also we'll be using a function location to identify in which place it is located. Here also we use function location to identify at which place it is located. So altogether, if you already know SAP, if you already know plant maintenance, okay, or if you already know SD, if I combine a plant maintenance and SD together, that becomes SAP CS. SAP CS is actually a combination of SAP PM and SAP SD. If you already know PM, if you already know SD, you just need to know the business processes in CS and just have a good hands onto the system, and then you are already SAP CS consultant. So it's a combination of PM and it's a combination of SD module. 2 modules combined together is called CS. I would be talking little bit detail on the business functions, because what I understand that anything you need to learn in SAP. As a functional consultant, the most important thing is knowing the business functions. If you know the business function, if you can visualize the business function, then you can do the consulting for that, right? I have today a small session. I cannot teach you the full CS module, but what at least I want to you tell that at least you should be aware about terminology, and at least you should be aware about the business function and the business processes, which is supported by the SAP CS module.